This is my full camera review of this new Huawei Nova 10 Pro. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Before I will show you all the photos and videos that I took with this Nova 10 Pro, let me tell you first the full specs of this phone, especially the camera setups. This phone has 6.78 OLED screen, 91.10 screen-to-body ratio with a 2K resolution, and of course it's 120Hz refresh rate. It has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage with Snapdragon 778G and its 6nm CPU with Adreno 642L GPU with 4500 mAh battery and a massive 100-watt super turbocharge that you can charge from 0 to 100% in just a matter of 20 minutes only. Now let's move on the camera specifications of this device. In terms of camera design, Huawei called it Star Orbit Ring design with extra gold layer at the frame. It is equipped with 50MP f1.8 aperture RYYB main lens, which can capture 40% more light compared to RGB sensors, which commonly used of all smartphones. 8MP f2.2 aperture ultra-wide that can capture 112 degrees field of view. It can also work as a macro shots up to 2.5cm closer to the object and can record 4K video as well, and a 2MP f2.4 aperture for portrait photos. And at the front it has dual punch hole selfie camera which equipped with 60MP f2.4 aperture, 7mm 100 degrees ultra-wide field of view, and 8MP 2.2 aperture for portrait as well. Now let's start with the daylight shots. So guys, what do you think of this new Huawei Nova 10 Pro camera? Just comment down below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time.